Here I have Samsung Galaxy A33, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. So first open camera, then go to the more modes, and here you have two different, speeds of the slow motion. You have like normal standard slow motion or super slow motion, which will be slower, obviously. So yeah, and that's how you can change its speeds by selecting one of these two modes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.